Ah.
He gives the engines their jobs, and they're on their way.
Sodor is very busy today, beeps Thomas. I wonder which worker is the busiest of all.
Thomas's first job is to drop off some passengers at the seaside.
On the way, he passes Bertie and Murdoch, hard at work.
Ah.
Down by the docks, Thomas sees Cranky loading crates onto Rosie. This is my third load already, says Rosie.
On the way to his next job, Thomas passes Terrence the tractor.
Afternoon, Thomas, says Terrence. I've got loads of land to till today.
Next, Thomas picks up some cargo and puffs past Bulstrode and Harold.
Ah.
Hello, Harold. Hello, Bulstrode, says Thomas.
They're too busy to chat.
Thomas continues to chug all over the island.
Everywhere he goes, he passes friends hard at work.
Ah.
At the coal yard, Mavis and Stanley have their trucks filled to the brim.
Percy chugs along the seaside to pick up some passengers and take them into town.
Emily pulls a heavy load of coal.
Well, Thomas, says her Topham Hat as Thomas pulls into Tidman's sheds for the night.
Ah.
Who was the busiest worker today?